Welcome everybody. I wanted to check out the new firmware that just came out from Autel for the Evo. It's version 1.3.45. It's up from 1.3.3.25, which is the current stable firmware. Now keep in mind this is a beta, so if you do upgrade it, you can't go back. It has quite a few features added to it, including coaching mode. It fixes some weak GPS, return home accuracy, and also improves drifting after takeoff, which we're taking a look at right now. It's got a battery overcharge safety feature in it. If you look at the firmware site, it says it doesn't have a battery upgrade in it, but if you check, it does actually have a battery upgrade. So multiple batteries, you need to actually upgrade the firmware multiple times, one for each battery, and each time you need to pull the SD card out and reload the firmware update file. Otherwise, it drops it and you don't have it on there anymore. We're going to do some tests here with some other bug fixes, hoping that there's some fixes with the orbit functionality. We're going to test it out, see if it's working any better. But here you go. Let's test it and see what we got. I just realized that my antenna's in the wrong spot. I figured that would solve that problem. A bit of rain here last night, so a little water in the creek. I certainly don't notice anything different on the functions. Does seem to be pretty stable so far.